Hey everybody, on August 9, 2018, 30,000 people took the street leading a stampede-like situation, not because of political election, not because of natural phenomena, but because of the launch of IKEA's furniture. To tell you more about this Swedish brand, IKEA operates 482 stores worldwide. It has more than 2 lakh employees with total revenue of 1800 crore. So the question over here is that how this local Swedish brand happened to become one of the legendary furniture brand worldwide that people loved so much so that they went on showering love on that brand. Well, behind this successful brand, there are a lot of successful business model, and one of them was so effective that made customers stick with them, and that is deco effect. So what they did was they priced product in such a way that you can't deny their offer. The offer that blew customers' mind. Tell me guys, let's say you want to buy a couch and you were given a three option. First, a small couch with limited shelves that cost roughly 10,000 rupees. Second, medium size couch that cost 30,000 rupees with drawers, shelves and basic supplements. And third, high quality couch that holds everything that you need like high quality of materials, comfortable shelves and foldable type that cost 35,000 rupees. Which one would you prefer to buy? The answer is third one, right? Because it has everything that we have in the second one. But what if I remove the second option? Almost none of us would prefer to buy the second option. What if I remove the second option? Because no one either way no one is buying it, right? Let's remove the second option. Which one would you prefer to buy? Now you might prefer if you want to just see economical cows, you might prefer the first option, right? That is called deco effect. This is how, ladies and gentlemen, they place the second option there just to convince you to buy the third option by after comparing. And you might have seen in theater with popcorns. If yes, comment below.